Good evening, all. I am to share the topic of scope of statistics. I am Dr. Amrita Tiwari from SIIT Bhopal, and I'm going to start with the scope of the statistics. And firstly, introductions. In early stages, the scope of statistics were very limited. It was confirmed and mainly to the administration government and was called to science of kings. But in the modern time, the scope of statistics has vented, and usually all those factors come in the review of the statistics, which are the expressed in the quantitative terms, directly or indirectly. That by context and the countenance observed today, there is hardly a phase of the adventures and which does not find the statistics device at least occasionally useful. It is not unfair to say science without statistics bear no fruits and statistics without science have no fruit. The applications of statistics are so numericous that it often remarked and statistics it was the statisticians do. And now let us examine a few fields of area of statistics is applied. First, the statistics and the state. In recent year, the functions of the stats have increased and temporarily. The concept of states has changed from that simply maintaining law and order to that the welfare states. Statistics, data statistics method are grateful to promote human welfare. The government is countries is the biggest collectors and user statistics data. And these statistics help in the farming stable policies. Statistics in business and management, with growing size and increased competitions, the problems of business enterprise have become a complex. Statistics now consider as a indisciplinary tools in this analysis of the activity in the field of business commerce and the industry that tamper their decisions on the basis of quantitative application. Statistics as the economics are officious complaints the meaningful and misprehensive that statistics is a branch of economics. And statistics data methods are inverse help in the proper understanding of the economic problem and the informations of the economic policies in field of exchange, study market law prices based on the study supply and demand, cost of production, banking and credit instruments. Statistics and psychology and education. Statistics have found wide application in the psychology and education. Statistical methods used to measure human abilities such as intelligence, aptitude, personality, interest, etc. By test theories, learning is also based on the statistics principles. Application of the statistics is psychology education have lead to the development of the new disciplines called psychometrics. Statistics, natural science, statistics techniques have proved extremely useful in the study of all natural science like biology, medicines, meteorology, biotechnology. For example, diagnosing the correct disease of the doctors has to heavily to fluctuating data like temperatures of the body, and one has to really heavily on the statistic conducted experiment about the plant, effect on the temperature, type of soil, etc. Agriculture statistics, technique like analysis of variance and design of experiments are useful to isolating the role of manure and rainfalls, watering processing, seed quality. In fact, it is difficult to find any scientific activities where the statistics data and methods are not used. Statistics and the physical science. The physical science in which statistical method were first developed and applied. It seems to make increased use statistics, especially in the astronomy, chemistry, engineering, geology, meteorology, and certain parts of physics. And seventh, and statistics is the research. As statistics is the indisciplible in the research work, and most of the advancement in the knowledge has taken place because of experiment conducted with the help of the statistics methods. Statistics method also affect the research in medicines, public health, In fact, there is a hardly any research work today that can find the complete without statistic methods and statistics and computers. The development of the statistics has closely related to the evolutions of the electronics computing. Machinery statistics is the form of data processing way to converting data informations useful for decision making. The computers can process the large amount of data quickly and accurately. This great benefits to the business and other organization that must maintain record of their operations and processing the raw data extensively required in the application of many statistic requirements. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.